Hi guys, what's up? My name is Saurav and welcome to another video for Limit Solutions. And this video I'm going to show you all how you can enable or disable startup sound in Windows 11. So to disable or enable startup sound, all we have to do is we'll just go to control panel and then we'll just go to the view type and we'll just choose here large icons. And after that we can see that we're getting the sound option, right? So we're just going to click on it. And now if we go to the sound tab over here, you can see that we're getting this place Windows startup sound here, right? So to disable it, all we have to do is we'll just unselect it, and if it is unselected already and if you want to enable the startup sound, all we have to do is we'll just take it on. Okay, we'll just have to take it and then apply changes, or if I don't want the startup sound, I'll just untick it and then apply changes and then click on OK. So this will gonna disable your startup sound. So this is how you can enable or disable startup sound, guys. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video is helpful to you. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Until then, stay happy and love to learn new life hacks regarding technical difficulties. Bye.